Hello everyone, this is my flight review of Virgin Atlantic's upper class flight from Atlanta to Manchester. Since this is a flight review instead of a flight report, I will be sharing my impressions and opinions. I will be rating 5 categories: the aircraft, flight attendants and service, seat, meals, and the in-flight entertainment system on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. Here you can see the items I rate for each category. The final score is an average of the ratings of each item. At the end of this video, you will be able to see how the scores break down. Click on the link above if you would like to learn more about my flight review rating methodology. Boarding began on time from Terminal F. Virgin Atlantic names all their aircraft. This A330 is called Beauty Queen. There are 3 rows of seats, all with aisle access. Row A faces the back of the center row, while the other rows face each other. This cabin design is starting to show its age. I rate aircraft and cabin 3 stars. Water in a can and champagne were offered prior to takeoff. Now enjoy the sights and sounds of the takeoff. Let's take a closer look at the seat. There is a very small tray on which to place drinks or other items. I did not find it very useful because items are not secure during turbulence. Here you find the remote control, universal power outlet, and a pocket for reading material. The footrest is small, but I like it better than small footwells. Okay, here's the most awkward thing about this seat. To make into a bed, you have to get up, push this button, and flip the seat over. While seated, you can only recline a small amount. Virgin Atlantic is in the process of replacing this type of seat. I don't like that you have to get up to make it into a flat bed, and you do not have the option to recline in a lounge position. I rate the seat 2.8 stars. Hopefully, Virgin Atlantic will replace this type of seat soon. Let's look at the in-flight entertainment. There are several options for movies and TV shows. I like that you can save a title to watch later, but the system navigation is a bit clunky. I rate in-flight entertainment 3.5 stars. For my starter, I chose the tomato, mozzarella and pesto salad. It was fresh and flavorful. And for the main course, I chose the roast chicken breast. And finally, for dessert, I had the classic vanilla cheesecake. This is the business class bar, where you can join other passengers for a cocktail and a snack. Here's the amenity kit, which I found to be quite basic. There is a toothbrush and toothpaste, moisturizing creams, lip balm, a pen, eye mask, socks and earplugs. And there are also pajamas. As I mentioned before, you have to flip the seat to turn into a bed. You can ask the flight attendant to do that for you. The flight attendants were kind, funny and proactive. I rate flight attendant and service 4.8 stars. I did not give it a perfect score because I include the amenity kit in this category. As a reminder, at the end of this video, you will be able to see my scores breakdown. The bed was comfortable and I was able to get a few hours of sleep. Breakfast was served about an hour before landing. I chose the sweet mascarpone whipped cream filled pancake. I love this coffee mug. I really enjoyed the meals. I rated 4 stars. Let's review my scores. Aircraft and cabin, 3 stars. Meals, 4 stars. Seat, 2.8 stars. Flight attendant and service, 4.8 stars. In-flight entertainment, 4.5 stars, giving us a final score of 3.6 stars. Virgin Atlantic has a great business class product, but I think it is time to replace or retire these cabin styles. Other aircraft, like the A350, offer a much better hard product experience. Click on the link above to see my Virgin Atlantic A350 review. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about my rating methodology. Thank you for watching. See you next time.